Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to contact StockX customer service. First, log into your StockX account and scroll down to the footer menu, and here you will find help section where you can find contact us button. Simply click on it and you will redirect it to the help center page where you can get help from StockX help team or some representative. You can ask any question regarding to your account verification, or the topics are available here. Now here is the customer service hours that you can go with live chat for Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now you can also use your phone, and you can go with your email address and you can email it and submit 24/7. You can also go with this live chat. Just simply click on it and here you can choose any topic that you are facing problem with. Then you can talk with a representative by this virtual chat, and also you can submit any emails so that you are facing any problems, and for related this problem you can submit any email 24/7 and they will get reached to you as soon as possible. That's how you can contact with the customer support of StockX. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.